Well, hello again. Welcome to my little condo in Mississauga. It is Tuesday, June 23rd, 2026, and I am finished my second bathroom, my main bathroom. Finished probably about 2 weeks ago. Just getting around taking a video now. Completely renovated. So that's both bathrooms done. Whole condo is done.
Oh shit.
New tiles. Real tile.
I know what happens when I get caught doing one of your errands up in the private section.
No one's gonna know.
Sound pretty confident.
Nice black finish.
You send it back up.
This here is 2-inch coping that I actually bought 16-inch wide and 12-inch wide and connected them together with dowels here. Made the backsplash. New lights. Of course, faucet.
Don't do that. You're better than
All working. Rack, towel rack, door stopper, and the bidet toilet. Right there's the switch. Slow closing seats. And here is my shower. I made these shelves here out of the same coping. Made that for my toothbrush soap. Made that soap. Rainfall shower. All redone. Came out pretty good.